Hello YouTube, Salivate Metal here, and as most of you know, the Federal Reserve raised the interest rate today, and it is March the 15th, 2017, and when they did so, a surprising thing happened, which hasn't happened the last several times that the Fed has raised the rate, and that is gold and silver went up instead of down. We can see here the numbers are quite a healthy increase in both gold and silver and the other metals as well, platinum and palladium. And so quite interesting. What is behind this sudden change? I was under the impression that they would continue to go down because it would spark some confidence in the economy and the like, and that the prices would go down. Well, according to this article by Kitco, it looks like the power of a word has caused the problem here, and it just goes to show you that there's a lot of psychology in the markets. As many analysts have pointed out, market participants analyze each and every word uttered by members of the Federal Reserve. We saw the power of a single word represented during the question and answer session immediately following Janet Yellen's statements, when one reporter inquired as to the word symmetric being added to the prepared statement. Janet Yellen replied, "It is an appropriate time to add that word in our statement." Chairwoman Yellen added that the additional word reflects the Fed's belief that the inflation rate of 2% could, at any given point, move above or below the 2% target, and as such, they would have a symmetric move to realign the inflation rate to 2%. And so because of that, I guess we have gold and U.S. equities rally as the U.S. dollar falls on that news. The net result of today's announcement by the Federal Reserve was a relief rally in both gold and U.S. equities. Once again, they are running in tandem, with both moving to higher pricing. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 112 points to a close of 20,950, flirting with that 21,000 again, with an increased value of over 0.5%. Based upon percentages, the rally in gold was much more significant, trading up over 1.5%, with April COMEX futures closing at 1220.90. Although today's move to raise interest rates was widely expected, the overall atmosphere of optimism continues to prevail in U.S. equity markets. The tone and timbre of statements made by Janet Yellen, in which she underlined the fact that monetary policy remains accommodative, was enough to put severe pressure on the U.S. dollar and initiate a major rally in precious metals market. So that, to me, that's saying that this could be just a temporary hike, and maybe things will calm down tomorrow or the next day or next week. We shall see, but nonetheless, it does appear to be quite a move today. And there's a closer look kind of at the chart here. Very, very interesting indeed how this is all playing out. And we will see what happens in the coming days. But it's anyone's guess. There's things like this. There's so much little psychological aspects that affect these markets. And so who knows where things will lead from here on out. But post your thoughts below. Are you in a buying mood? Are you in a selling mood? And where do you think the prices will go from here on out in the coming months, especially with the Federal Reserve all but promising, aside from any other event, that 2% number and other factors of the growing economy, 2 more rate hikes this year? Post your thoughts below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude y'all for watching and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.